$300, $350, whatever I give for it. Does really well. Show it on the channel if you want to help sponsor me. I do all kinds of things. Good afternoon. It's a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and just got to show y'all what I picked up a couple days ago. Of course, I do the sheriff work, and I have a landscaping business on the side. Do a lot of tractor stuff, and recently picked up the stump grinder, do some mowing. Hopefully I got some mowing and stump grinding pictures coming soon. But I got a guy, a buddy of mine that owns a trailer company, and down the road, probably about 15-20 minutes from the house, he knows I've been looking for a 7x16 dual axle enclosed trailer to put my stuff in. And he got in an almost brand new trailer. This trailer's about a year or two old, and he told me, he said, "Hey man, I could sell it to you pretty good price. You just have to take the decals of the guy that had it before you off." I said, "Sure, I'll come check it out." So I went and checked out this 7x16 enclosed trailer here. Like I said, it's not even 2 years old yet. Just that's all dirt. It's just dirt where the guy used it as, as a landscaping trailer. All I got to do is take my heat gun, go around, take his decals off, and then I may or may not put my decals on. I don't know yet. But on the inside, I mean, it still looks kind of new. I'll show you. I mean, that's all dirt. Just dirt where it sit in the windstorms. But go in here. So everything in here is almost, still smells brand new. Just needs to be cleaned and put my shelves up, whatever I'm going to put up there. I still got, he left a couple of half bags of grass seed in here. I got some tarps in here, and then these little granulates right here, that's fertilizer. Just needs to be blowed out and then make it the way I want it. So, but I'm not going to tell you what he sold it to me for, because it was a pretty good deal. But if you're in the Catawba County area and you need a good deal on a trailer or a building, hit my man up, Sean, at Shed Mart USA. He'll do you right. But this thing's built pretty solid. It's a 2 5/16 ball, and it pulled home perfectly. I mean, I think that's the worst part on it right here. I got a little dent right here, but I can take a few things and straighten that out. But for the price I give for it and the work I'm going to get out of it, I'm not going to complain. So let me hit these wheels with a water hose and see how clean they come, and might be able to, if it don't come clean, I mean, I got the pressure washer, so let's see what we can get done. Most of this is coming right off with the water hose. We've had a lot of windstorms here lately, and it's just blowing everything around. We're currently in a fire ban, so it's cleaning up pretty nice. Still going to take a rag and go over it with a rag and clean it all the way up. Make sure everything's aired up to like it's supposed to be. But when I first got there, I thought this was rust. And I was like, dang, wheels are already rusted. But I mean, it's clean. It just needs to be wiped down now compared to that. Just mud. That's all it is. I already got my first job lined up for it. My daughter's got me hauling furniture. There's no telling her no. So, we'll get it cleaned up and we'll get back to you. All right, I went and grabbed a rag. That way you can get the before and after before I did all of them. Here, I mean, you saw how muddy they were. This is just spraying it off with a water hose. Then I took the rag and I've got to get in the nooks and crannies, but Looks brand new. And I'll get the tires scrubbed, put a little bit of the tire shine on them. I got to get up in here. That's not too bad. Got to go haul some furniture. Then when I get back, I'll work on cleaning all that out. So we'll see if my investment pays off, and then I'll make a second video on how to take all this stuff off here, all these decals. It's not that hard. It just can burn your fingers a little bit, but a little time consuming, but we'll get it taken care of. Good morning. We're gonna be back at the trailer cleanup today, and sprayed off everything with the water hose. Now I'm gonna take the DeWalt pressure washer and go around the outside of the wheels, underneath the wheel wells and the trailer tongue, and let's see how good that does compared to just a regular water hose. I don't have the best water pressure here, so I gotta let the machine catch up a little bit. Other than that, it's doing a really good job. I'll bring you in as soon as I'm done. All right, we'll bring you in here and let you look. That DeWalt does a really good job to be an electric pressure washer. You know, electric's come a long way in the last several years. Sometimes I still prefer my gas, but you can't beat it. I mean, a lot of my tools now are, you know, battery powered because they're easily portable. You know, if I'm gonna be around the house doing a lot of major work, I'm still gonna use my plug-in, but that looks way better. So I'm gonna go around and hit the rest of the spots that are dirty, and then I ordered some anchors to go in the bottom of the floor for my mowers and anything else. I currently don't have any in there, and I'll do a video on how to do that, and then I'm going to do a video on how to take off all these decals. I went yesterday to Harbor Freight to get a heat gun, but they were out. She told me she was supposed to have some more in on Friday, so this is Thursday. So I'll go back tomorrow, and hopefully maybe this weekend or early next week I'll make a video on that, and then agree to it when the anchor's in the floor. That may be one video, I don't know. But yeah, I still got to go around. It's got a lot of dirt, and I'll show you around up here on the where the ball goes, the hitch, and it's pretty dirty down here too. So other than that, I got a really good deal on this. All right, I went around the entire trailer and just knocked off basically the dirt and the mud. Still needs a good hand washing, but wheels look brand new compared to what they were. They were solid brown when I got them. Wheel wells looking good. Went around the bottom here. Like I said, still need to take a brush to it. Majority of that mud is off. And then same way with the same side, or the other side over there was all muddy. The bottom here was all muddy. Got it all off. And for a small electric pressure washer, man, I can't beat that thing for, you know, about $300, $350, whatever I give for it. Does really well. So, guess I better finish up my deck too, because it's getting warmer, and my wife's been after me about staying in the deck, getting stuff done, and yeah, she's always after me getting stuff done. I squirrel a lot. I'll start this and I'll probably do something else here in about 15 minutes. That's just being honest with you. I cannot finish anything to save my life. It's just how I've always been. But one day I'll get it all done. Maybe. Might have to hire somebody. But here's the start of the trailer. Like I said, next video I'll try to get this done and put the floor anchors in. Y'all have a good day. One more thing, if y'all would like and subscribe, help me grow the channel a little bit. I want to start doing a lot more here. I'm getting ready to go over here and undo the Micmax stump grinder. Hopefully I'll get that going to work next week. So leave me a comment down below what you want to see on the channel. I leave my address in the comments, and if you want to send something to the channel, I'd be glad to show it on the channel. If you want to help sponsor me, I do all kinds of stuff outdoors. I love tractor stuff. Hopefully, like I said, be doing camping and fishing soon. So like and subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll try to put out 1 or 2 videos a week. And we'll see. Sky's the limit on what we can do here, because it's beautiful outside. As long as it stays this way, I'm gonna try to come out every day. Have a great day.